So, just we have finished addition of vector, and now we are going to start how to subtract two vector quantities. So, suppose two vector quantities are there, A and B. Two vector quantities are there, A and B. Okay. So, if I will write like this, it is very clear that I am subtracting vector B from A. It is very clear that I am subtracting vector B from A, correct or not? Okay. This A minus B, I can write like this. Anyone is having doubt in that part? No one? Normal thing? Okay. So, subtraction of vector, I will draw the diagram which we are drawing in parallelogram law of vector addition. Suppose two vectors are there, vector A, then vector B, making an angle of theta. So, see, this is vector B. So, what should be the direction of vector minus B? Vector B this side, so direction of vector minus B is that side. That is negative of a vector. Negative of a vector means same magnitude, opposite direction. So, same length but in opposite direction. So, actually what A minus B is means what? A minus B means actually I want to add vector A and vector minus B. So, this is vector A and this is vector minus B. So, how to add these two? So, now see this vector and this vector, these two are representing vector A and vector minus B. These two are representing two adjacent sides of parallelogram. So, when these two are representing two adjacent sides of parallelogram, then this diagonal of parallelogram, see A and minus B are two adjacent sides of this parallelogram, then the diagonal of parallelogram represents their addition. And what is the addition it is representing? A plus minus B, and which is nothing but A minus B, correct. So, actually we are adding A and minus B, we are actually adding vector A and vector minus B. Okay, so what is the formula for addition? So, formula for addition you have seen, A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. This is the formula for addition you have seen. Okay. What is theta in that formula? Theta was angle between the vectors which you are adding. What is theta here? Angle between the vectors which you are adding. So, here you are adding which vector? A and minus B. So, what is the angle between A and minus B? So, angle between A and B is theta. So, what is angle between A and minus B? This angle is 180 minus theta. This angle is 180 minus theta. Okay. So, A square plus B square plus 2AB cos 180 minus theta. What is cos 180 minus theta? That is minus theta. What is cos 180 minus theta? That is minus theta, correct. Cos 180 minus theta minus theta. So, what is the formula for subtraction? A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. So, before that in addition it was plus 2AB cos theta, now it is minus 2AB cos theta. Okay. So, this is the formula to find out magnitude of subtraction. Now, you have to find out what? Direction of the resultant vector when you are subtracting two vector quantities. So, what is the direction of resultant vector? So, for direction you have learned formula tan is equal to alpha is equal to tan inverse B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. In that formula, in place of this theta, what you will put? So, here you will put tan inverse B sin 180 minus theta by A plus B cos 180 minus theta. So, alpha is equal to tan inverse. What is sin 180 minus theta? This is sin theta. And what is B 180 minus theta? that is minus b cos theta. So, this is the formula for direction. This is the formula for direction, correct or not? And this is the formula for magnitude. So, when you are adding two vectors, what is the formula? Suppose two vectors are there, a and b, angle between them is theta. Then how to add them? So, when you will add them, you will get some resultant. How to find the magnitude of that resultant? So, magnitude of that resultant, how to find? So, formula is r is equal to root a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. What is the formula for direction? So, alpha is equal to tan inverse b sin theta by a plus b cos theta. This is for addition. For subtraction, r is equal to root a square first vector, b square second vector minus 2ab cos theta. Correct? Huh? Clear? Okay. So, this is all about the subtraction of vectors. So, I think subtraction is clear to everyone. Okay. So, now in next part we will start the multiplication of vector quantity.